Hi guys! Another video, another troublesome words na naman ang i-discuss natin today. We have diffuse versus diffuse. So, ang diffuse, which is a verb, it means to remove the tension, the danger, or literal fuse of a bomb. It is like pampakalma o kaya naman pampahupa. Examples: guys, chill muna. Let's talk this out. I'm trying to diffuse the situation before may masampal. Ganon. So, it's correct to use diffuse kasi you're calming the situation. Diba? Para walang sabunutan na maganap. Another one, he apologized to diffuse the tension sa group chat kasi parang World War III na yun. No? So, correct ulit yung paggamit ng diffuse, which means tanggalin yung init ng ulo, like nagsilbi siyang peacekeeper vibes. Ganon. Ang diffuse naman, it could be verb or adjective. No? As a verb, it means to spread out or scatter over a wide area. Pag adjective, it means something spread out, not concentrated. No? Similar siya sa kalat, pakalat-kalat, ganun, parang chismis. No? Example, I use lavender oil to diffuse a calming scent around my room. Ganda ng vibes. Diba? Yes, diffuse yung gagamitin mo doon, which means kumalat yung bango, which is bet natin yung ganun, diba? Another one, the sunlight was diffused, parang filter ng IG, super soft sa mukha, ganyan. No? Diffuse pa rin yung gagamitin natin doon kasi hindi siya concentrated, parang pakalat na nga yung liwanag. No? So, how to remember their difference pa? No? Pag diffuse, no, it means to calm or remove the danger. Pag diffuse, it means to spread out. Okay? So, next time na magta-type ka ng caption, essay, or kahit na ano pa sa GC ng tropa nyo, always remember, diffuse the drama and diffuse the good vibes. So, I hope naliwanagan kayo at natuto ulit. And next time, magkita-kita ulit tayo. See you guys!